Hi, friends. Are you looking to make some passive income? I'll show you it's really easy to do. Hi, I'm Mark Diamond, the staffing and recruiting business coach. Let me introduce you to our affiliate marketing program. And it takes very little work for you, and I'll show you how. First, let me introduce you to Presto if you're not familiar with this. It's our CRM. And if you have become an affiliate and you share the link, people will be brought to this site. They'll be put their name in, then they'll get a 10-minute introduction to Presto. And if there's questions that they have afterwards, that's fine. We've got a frequently asked questions. We also be happy to deliver a private demo to show exactly how Presto can help organize their day, but really make them incredibly efficient. Presto is an automation machine. Email, text, voicemail, even an AI call bot. A lot of great connectivity to Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram, Zoom, Outlook, Google. The list goes on and on and on. Huge productivity tool. So how do you make money? Well, you'll see there's three different options as far as how our program works. 2 licenses, 4 and 6 for people who sign up. You'll earn 40% of either $297, $497, and $697 a month, each and every month. And it's automated payout, 15th of after 15 days after somebody pays their bill, all automated for you. So if you want to start making money without doing a lot of work, sign up as affiliate. You'll get a link, and you'll take that link. You can put it on your website. You can put it in your emails. You can include that in social media. Any place your connections are going to see you and hear you. And if you have a question, I'm happy to walk you through our program in more detail. Or again, take a look in the description, sign up as an affiliate, and let's start making money together.